Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on Apple, and the bulls finally caught up. So I'm sure some bulls were complaining yesterday about the lack of follow through with the market running, but certainly making up for it today. Big spike in volume, fending off a bearish MACD cross. Closed right up at the upper Bollinger Band resistance of 121.95, which did reject the price, but we did close up near the high of the day without a significant upper wick showing profit taking. Bulls in full control, new key support of consolidation down here at 119.37. And the bulls are on fire. Look at this weekly time frame. 2 trading days left to go. The bulls want to close above 121.69 to be in breakout mode on the weekly. Look at this move we have seen over the past 3 months since the election. It's been nothing but upside. And we're not seeing too many resistances. Let's zoom out. Bulls always love when they have to zoom out to find the next resistance. After that upper Bollinger Band, I'm looking up at a lot of psychological levels before we get to the next key. I see a lot of resistance in the 125 to 126 range, but before that we have 122, 123, 124. So we'll watch those psychological resistance levels, but there is not a ton of resistance. We are at the highest price that we have seen since back before the dump down here. And that was back in July and August of 2015. So over a year and a half, highest price we've seen. Nice recovery by the bulls. And they have a lot of momentum. So let's look at the shorter term time frames on the 5-minute. Bulls were out in full force. So if you've been watching these videos, I've been highlighting how the high of the day has been set in the first 5 to 15 minutes. I believe it was 4 of the past 5 days. So today, after this first 15-minute bull move, I was skeptical. I thought, okay, we might see the high of the day be set again. So I said, we need to be watching for a signal that this is not the case, and that will be a break from the trend that we've been noticing and a break worth noting. So here we have that bull move. We consolidated. This ended up being a bull flag, and we hit a new high of the day, and then we saw continuation. So as soon as that new high of the day was hit after the first 40 minutes of trading, that says to me, okay, the trend is different, and it obviously favors the bulls as we're hitting a new high of the day. So from there, we made a nice bullish move, higher lows and higher highs. So that consolidation low was 121 on the dot. This consolidation low was 121.14, maintaining a higher low. Continuation, new high of the day, higher low, higher high. And that is the story. Bulls in full control. Hourly time frame, perfect bull flag on the hourly, bouncing off exponential support and continuing. And the bulls hoping that this is another bull flag, the little consolidation at the end of the day. Bulls want to see continuation and a break of 122.10 tomorrow to keep that higher high pattern going. Have to update the daily upper Bollinger Band at the open, as that is going to be the key resistance that rejected the high of today. It's going to be in the upper 122s tomorrow, perhaps the low 123. So we'll have to update that level and see if the bulls are able to close above it and break out like SPY and the S&P 500 did today. Otherwise, that's going to be a cap where we will likely consolidate if the bulls can't get over that upper Bollinger Band. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow, and we're just getting closer and closer towards all-time highs in a lot of names. And bullish charts these days are a dime a dozen with the market so strong. See you tomorrow.